This.
Here we have my dog. He's really hungry, so I should probably get him
The gravy, but
By the way,
Never had carbs, biscuits. Come on.
yeah, dance for the treat.
Sid, I'm gonna
Dance for your master. Good dog.
Sid, I'm gonna let you know right now, Carter's biscuits and gravy's way better than Grandma. Sorry, Grandma, but your
yeah,
biscuits.
they are.
Well, they're not way better, but they're better.
This is
Where are we
hard.
going? Doesn't matter.
Back to our dog. That was really hard, by the
I'm
way.
about to go downstairs and look for polls.
Isn't he adorable? His name is Louie.
I'm
Yes.
coming downstairs right quick.
Yeah, he's kind of heavy, and he wants more food. But nope, he's not getting food. So that is our episode of My Pop today. So I should probably get this dog something. Peace.